Yeah. Craig, are you there? Oh, someone's here. Okay, you're here. Iris, or Craig isn't. My bad.
I'm showing him on here.
Yeah, I see him. Like, I see his icon, but he's not here.
Weird. Is Michael busy with work?
I would assume so. He's usually here pretty quickly.
Yeah. Oh, are you ready for the test tomorrow?
Nope,
Me neither.
not at all.
I have a tutoring up. Nope. Can't hear you.
So have you started the quiz thing yet, Blaine?
Not yet. I just barely opened it up.
Yeah, I have many questions. So,
Oh man, there's 32 questions. Woohoo!
yeah, I think I got the first one, but
Number 1 or number 2?
number one, I attended the group meeting. It's gonna be a good test. Um, where's Craig? I don't know. This is weird, but
Said to re-invite him.
no, I already did so.
Can you hear us?
Yeah, I'm good.
Awesome.
Okay. Woohoo! Well then, let's get started. So Blaine and I were just talking. We don't remember a lot of these things, so it's gonna be a good test.
Okay.
So number two, okay, I'm really bad at deciding which test to use. I said D, the independent sample t-test. Is that accurate?
For number 2? I
Yeah.
put H.
Put H
What does chi-squared do
squared.
again?
How'd you do
Okay.
that?
I just thought it fit the definition of what I was saying, I guess.
I said, but they have many different ones. Okay, first of all, that makes more sense. 'Cause it's uh, qualitative, not quantitative. So yeah, that makes sense to me.
Oh, I'm terrible at these ones.
No, right? Okay, number 3. A human resources manager reported data for a recent involuntary reduction in force at her company. You're an attorney and want to determine if age discrimination is a factor. The company reported the number of employees in 2 groups, 40 years or 40 years old or younger, or over 40. They reported the number of employees in each group who were terminated. You want to determine if the groups are treated equally. I said G, the test for two proportions.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
Alright, I guess I'll do number 4. A survey was conducted by a group of state lotteries. A random sample of 2,406 adults completed the survey. A total of 248 were classified as heavy players. Of these, 142 were male. You want to determine if the proportion of male heavy lottery players is different than the proportion of males in the population, which is 48.5%. Which hypothesis test would be most appropriate? Wouldn't that be the ANOVA? No, test of one proportion, right? F.
Yeah, I got F.
Okay.
Okay. Can we explain why we decided F?
Because it's a proportion, but there's only one group. It's only males.
Okay. Awesome.
Number 5, I got C
C.
because you're pairing the samples of the t-test.
Yeah.
All right. 6, I put E. But that
Yeah,
might
that's
not
what I got.
be. Okay. Sweet.
Which is the ANOVA. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. For 7, bank employs 2 appraisers. Oh, wouldn't that be the? Is that a paired samples? T confidence?
I
Yep,
put C. Yeah.
that's what I got. I got C.
Okay. Let's see. 8 in the Wall Street Journal article of satisfaction career paths. The percentage of psychology majors reported satisfied or very satisfied. Um, I put F. The
So yeah, so did I.
were two proportions. Who wants to take 9? So I put B for 9.
I wasn't for sure on 9.
Yeah. I think that's right, though. I think the national average is
For
supposed
10,
to.
I have B.
For 10, you have B?
Yeah.
Really? 10 I put D. Okay, I was confused about them because are we working with just the double stuffed Oreo or both the double stuffed and the original?
Just a second.
Okay, never mind. It's just the double stuffed.
Yeah.
It would be B. Awesome.
Okay. And you got B for 9, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. All right. Which one of the following best defines the notion of the significance level of a hypothesis test? Oh shoot, I don't know. It's just one. Isn't this the type 1 error?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I got.
Because type 2 is the alternative, right?
Yeah. But this one's talking about the significance level. So the 0.05.
Yeah. Well, the type 1 affects that, whether you reject or accept null.
Okay.
Number 12 is the probability of observing a sample statistic more extreme than the one actually obtained, assuming the null is true.
All right. Okay. 13. Suppose you create a 95% confidence interval for a mean and get 10 to 20, or 10, 20. You have been told to report this by saying something like there's a 95% confidence that the true mean is between 10 and 20. Exactly what does this mean? When I said there's a 95% chance that the true mean is between 10 and 20, but I'm not
I got the one after it. 95% of all 95% confidence intervals.
Okay. So that one always sounded weird to me, but that could be it. So for 14, what is the mean of the distribution of the sample proportions? I put 0.30, because that's what P is.
That's what I got.
Okay, sweet. So I want to take 15.
Yeah, I got 0.046.
And probability. So I forgot that I didn't have my notes with me when I was taking this earlier. So I don't remember the equation off the top of my head.
Yeah, me neither.
Because you used that to find the z-score, which you'd then put, or I guess the t-score, whatever score it is, and put it into the applet, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, so did anyone get 16 yet?
Yeah, it's the 0.138.
Okay. Awesome. And then 17, I used the Excel sheet to get this one. And so I got the negative 0.004 to 0.029.
Yep, that's what I got.
Sweet.
That was 0.029, right?
Yes.
Okay. This next one would be the second one, not equal to.
For the yeah, or the
For 18.
yeah.
Yeah. And then 19 is 1.458.
Mm-hmm. For 20, it's 0.145.
Awesome. So you fail to reject the null, right?
Yes.
Yep.
So I always get confused on these. When you fail to reject it, is there sufficient evidence or is there insufficient evidence?
Insufficient.
So it'd be no, I failed to reject the null.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. I always get those ones mixed up. And then for 22, for a while, I don't remember. Again, I just used the chi-squared thing on the Excel sheet. So for the first one, I got 6.580.
Yep. 23 is 0.087.
Mm-hmm.
So you fail to reject because it's greater than 0.05.
Yep. 25 is, I put no, I failed to reject the null.
Okay. Oh, and then 26, I didn't get that answer yet.
I got 0.195 and then 0.315.
Okay, how did we get that one? Because I've been trying to figure this question out all morning.
Let's just use that one equation. What's it called?
Is that like the mu plus 2 times the standard deviation? Or
Yeah.
like the 1.96 times the standard deviation? So in this one, what is the mu? Is it 0.2?
For 26?
Yeah. Like, what's the
Okay.
standard mean? Or the... Because it says that 20% of all investment managers outperform that. I'll work on it. 27. Suppose you had been in charge of designing the study, what sample size would be needed. So this one you just plug into the equation, right?
For that one, I got 1537.
Okay. Awesome. For 28, I got p is equal to 0.2, and our alternate is p is greater than 0.2.
Yeah.
What'd you get for 27 again?
27 is 1537.
Isn't 29 is the third choice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got.
30 is 1.768.
All right. Sorry, just a second. I haven't gotten this far yet. 1.768. Is it 0.039? Is that one of the answers? Yeah.
Yeah. So then you're going to reject the null.
So there would be sufficient evidence. So yes, I rejected the null.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. Submit. Oh wow, awesome. 9 was not B. Sorry about that.
Does it give the answer?
No, it doesn't. It just says that that one was wrong.
Okay.
So So I wonder if 9 would be A?
It's
No.
not A. I tried A.
You tried A?
Yeah, I thought it was A, but it's not.
So it's not A or B. I don't think it's a proportion, is it? Or is it on time versus late? It's probably a proportion. Yep. It's
Which
probably.
one?
I have a feeling it's either E or F. I think it's E, but I'm not 100% sure.
I'll try E.
All right.
Yeah, it was E.
Mm.
All right. Well, way to go, team.
All right.
See you guys
Cool,
later.
cool.